Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville Public Library. Today we are going to make an apple sign. Let's see what we'll need for this activity. To begin, we are going to take our sign, and we have a few options here. So we can leave it plain like it is here, or we could take some brown paint or stain and color it to make it a little bit darker. So you would do whichever one you want. I'm going to, I think, leave my sign plain like this. And next you want to take your two apples. So I got all my pieces except for the paint from the dollar store. The apples came in a pack of 8, and it came with these little pieces of twine, which I'll use later. So I'm going to take my apples, and I will start with some red paint to get kind of like a weathered look. I'm going to actually end up mixing some different color paints together. So I'll use my red, and then I'm going to mix in some yellow and a little bit of black, probably a little bit of white too. And once I do that, I'll end up with something that looks a little like this. So it's got a little bit of texture to it. Otherwise, I just get a really bright red apple, which I could use, but that's not the look I was going for. So I'm going to let my paint dry, and once I have that, I'm going to move on to gluing my apples into place. For the next step, we are going to attach our twine to the apples. I just made little bows and hot glued them on. And then after that, we are going to attach our apples to our sign. So I'm going to use a high-temp glue gun, and I'm going to arrange my apples relatively in the middle. And I'm going to do it so that they kind of overlap each other. So I will go ahead and add some hot glue now to my apples. And you can arrange them however you would like. There, I have my one apple on there, and I will finish this up. And once I have them attached, I'm going to complete this by just adding a bow. And I got this ribbon at the dollar store as well. They had a bunch in their craft aisle. And once I'm done with that, my sign will be finished. So thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.